Hi everyone. Today we will learn about data management in SPSS. Data menu bar in SPSS offers several options for managing and manipulating data, including defining variables, sorting cases, merging files, splitting files, and selecting cases. These functions allow users to organize and prepare their data set for analysis. For sort variables in SPSS, we use data menu bar and go to sort variables. Sort variables. The purpose of sort variables to reorder columns or variables alphabetically or by types or by name. Step in SPSS. Data, go to data and then go to sort variables. Choose sorting criteria by name, by type, by measurement level and click go to folder in where we have sort variable final data file. Open this file in SPSS 24 version. It will take some time. Here we have two views, data views and variable views. Here our first variable is form number, second is age, third one is gender. For sorting variables, we go to variable view and data menu bar and go to sort variables bar or option. In sort variable, variable view columns
Yeah, my chain came off. I'm not really
like
sure how to fix
name
it.
wise sorting of variables, age wise with
Really? That would be
decimal,
amazing, thank
label,
you.
values, missing, column, alignment, and measure and
Okay, I've
role
got it. Thanks so much
wise
for helping.
variable view column.
I'm B's name.
Okay,
I really appreciate it.
we use name to sorting the variable. Here sort order is ascending or descending. We use sort variable or sort order ascending and press the button OK. The output viewer show the sort variable by name. A means ascending. Okay, we go to data view or variable view. In data editor variable view,
I agree, it's
we
one of
go
my
to
favorites in the city. I wish they still built them like this.
first variable.
I think it was built in the
The first variable
1930s,
start
originally as a
with
hotel.
A.
Now it's office
Start
space.
the first variable name start with A
Welcome to the neighborhood. It's full
because
of architectural
we
gems like
sorting the
this one.
variable names with alphabetically or name column. Then second variable is CS1, third variable is CS2 and CS8, CSQ score, and after C the 11th variable is DKQ1. Okay, the last variable is M. Variable number 54 is marital status, which is start with M. This is the sorting the variable. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like our channel. and press bell icon for more videos.